Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in. Ambition gives you a reason to dream bigger, but persistence is what turns that dream into something real. Because success rarely happens overnight. It happens when you keep moving forward, especially on the days when it would be easier to quit. Most people have goals. They want more freedom, more income, more control over their time, and a better future for themselves and their families. But wanting more isn't enough. At some point, you have to make a decision and then have the persistence to keep going until that decision changes your life. That's where TruPowur comes in. The energy industry is massive because virtually every home and business needs electricity and natural gas. And when you help customers reduce their energy costs, you're not trying to convince them to buy something they don't need. You're helping them make a smarter decision about something they're already paying for. With TruPowur, you can build your own energy brokerage business with the technology, training, supplier relationships, systems, and support designed to help you get started and grow. You don't need decades of energy experience. You need ambition. You need the willingness to learn. And most importantly, you need persistence. Because every conversation you have, every customer you help, and every relationship you build can become another step toward creating something much bigger. A business capable of producing recurring, compounding residual income month after month and year after year. Imagine what could happen if you stopped measuring your future by what you're earning today and started measuring it by what you're capable of building over the next few years. Your ambition can show you what's possible, but persistence is what gets you there. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.